Today my son Adib will share his recipe for white chocolate fudge. It's a very easy recipe and it only requires 4 ingredients.
Today we're making white chocolate fudge, and I have a 9 by 9 inch baking tray lined with parchment paper with some overhang so that it's easy to pull out the fudge. I'm setting up a double boiler here, a DIY. So you just take a pot that's filled less than halfway with water, and once it gets warm, you put a bowl over it, and the water is going to heat up the bowl, and you can melt all your ingredients in here. That way the chocolate doesn't burn. For my ingredients, I have 3 cups or 24 ounces of white chocolate chips, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to use a tablespoon of butter, and I just have these little round rainbow sprinkles for decoration. And you can use a candy thermometer if you have one. Also, you can switch this out for any chocolate you want, whether that's semi-sweet, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and you can add in basically whatever toppings you want. Sometimes I like to add in some crushed Oreos with white chocolate, and it makes like a cookies and cream flavor. So this recipe is pretty simple. You just pour everything into the double boiler. So there goes my chocolate, and then my tablespoon of butter, and 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm just gonna let everything melt and combine together. It's pretty simple. You just let it get smooth, and if you're using a candy thermometer, you want to wait until it reaches about 234 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll come back in a few moments when it's all melted together. So this is after about 5 minutes. Just keep going until it gets to a consistency where you can pour it. See, you can see there's still some chunks, so we're just gonna wait more and make sure to keep scraping down the sides of the bowl. It's pretty much smooth now, and we're getting ready to pour it into the prepared baking tray. It's 234 degrees right now, actually 235, so we're ready to pour it. I smoothed it out into the pan, and now I'm going to decorate it with my rainbow sprinkles. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to pop this in the fridge for at least 3 hours. If you can do longer than that or even overnight, then that's better. So it's been about 6 hours in the fridge, and I took it out onto this plate, and now I'm going to cut it into pieces. So this is my white chocolate fudge. It tastes really good. It's really rich and creamy, and it was really easy to make. It only took 4 ingredients. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.